English presentation. Your name, Kevin Guzman Guzman. Course 1C. Program, Professional Teaching in Bowling Construction. Teacher, Joan Manuel Triana. Where is it located? Prado is municipality located in department of Tolima, Colombia. Key factors come for its beautiful natural landscapes. Home to this impressionante Prado Reservoir and major attraction. Offer opportunities for water sport and ecotourism. Has a rich cultural heritage and a welcoming community. Characteristics. Get features known for its beautiful natural landscapes, home to the impressive Prado Reservoir, a major attraction, offer opportunities for water sport and ecotourism. You have a rich cultural heritage and a welcoming community. What elements are there in the place? Significates. A significant hydrological project in the region. Tourism, a popular destination for avoiding winds and enjoying the surrounding scenery. Ecology, the reservoir and its surroundings are home to diverse flora and fauna. What sensation does the place transmitting? Prado Tolima transmite a feeling of peace and tranquility. The tranquility they place gives us place, the silence of Peking clan, being able to be relaxed in mountains is nature is very green. Windy I chose the place. I chose this place because when I traveled there I was impressed by how pleasant the flicks of place. Tranquility and passiness is convenient and the same thing. Ian also loved the experience and hardware. Thank you very much for your attention.